What's up, guys? This is a very important short video, and actually, this is recorded using my mobile phone. So, I discovered that some people said they couldn't see these videos clearly. Okay, so actually, the reason why you're not seeing it clearly is because you didn't change the. Okay, wait. Let me. So you didn't change the resolution type.
Welcome everybody
Take for
to
example.
another section again.
I have to pause this so that you can hear me. So the thing is, when you get to this particular place, before you watch, you click on this setting button at the top right corner here. Then here the quality here, you click on it. After clicking on it, first of all you go to advanced. Okay. When you click on advanced, you see some options here. Pick the biggest one. Then once you pick the biggest one, you click on it again. You pick higher picture quality. Okay, so that means you have higher picture quality and then the highest number here, so it actually
Um,
be clear.
I trust. Please, if you're hearing any background noise, in fact, is more than the one you've been listening.
So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.